Local news for Monday the 26th of November. Another week of wet weather is expected across Wairarapa with a heavy rain warning in force for much of today. Temperatures are expected to be in the high teens. And after making further inquiries into the death of Sonam Sheila, whose body was found on a South Wairarapa beach last week, police are not treating the death as suspicious. Turning graffiti into public arts and creating a Māori university are among the bold ideas of a class of Massey University planning students who collaborated with Masterton's Eastside Community and Council to revitalise the suburb. With a population of approximately 3,500, the class of 14 students worked with the Masterton District Council, Connecting Communities Wairarapa and Masterton's Eastside Community Group on the community-driven development design for Masterton East. And in sport, a mixed bag of results for Giants softball. The men's and under-15s recording losses, while the women and under-13s both recorded big wins.